Oh, I wish I was a llama in a great big llama world.
My favorite is the haunting mating call of the humpback whale. Very good, Carl.
Hey, Jimmy, I found a cool video game starring a thin green guy and his friend Mr. Bleep Bleep.
That's the radar, Carl.
Oh, well, my mom doesn't let us have radar.
My plan's better than yours. It's not. It's so. It's not. It's so.
Stop it! Stop it! Can't you see your constant fighting is tearing us all apart?
Carl! These notes are completely useless.
But Jimmy, you should have seen them. They were so cute and cuddly and... I'm a bad Watson! Thank you, Winifred. This is my revolutionary voltage pondalizer. I converted the Hoskababich to the Flutz by putting it through the Hooble Boobler.
What's the square root of a flexnard, huh? That doesn't make any sense.
The square root of a flexnard is a cup full of boogers. I'm just not sweating.
Oh, come on, Carl, you can do it. The whole town's depending on you. You'll be a hero.
Really? Okay. Girl Shane! I'm floating. The light. Yes, move toward the light.
I assume it comes with a few cc's of ethyl mercaptan?
No.
Well, I can work around that. How about some dimercurylsulfonidil?
Yeah. No.
Tritium nitrate?
I've got salt. This weather is perfect for big-boned people like me, and soon the hunters will move on. Then we of the Carl clan will emerge from our long sleep, and the land will belong to the hefty! Do you guys think that, sometimes in the right light, Miss Fowl looks kinda... Go! Wait! Hold it! Ah! Oh, ah!
We have a winner! First prize goes to Team Wheezer!
Huh?
We won, and not a single injury.
Ow! My foot!
Ow, my neck! My head! I think I have a bone spur. Oh, leg cramp! My kidneys are on fire!
I have to share a blooming dressing room with you two blokes.
Carl, why are you talking like that?
No. Please refer all inquiries to my image consultant.
Yes. No.
Oh,
Yes.
that's right.
Yeah.
Big calendar shoot coming up.
A hot dog holder?
Actually, the Hot Dog Holder Deluxe, also known as the Versa Bun. It not only holds hot dogs, it is also a stylish hat. A butterfly with fat wings, a comfy seat cushion at your favorite sporting event, and as quickly as you see it right before your very eyes, it's gone. Ooh, what happened to the Hot Dog Holder Deluxe?
I smell a brain blast.
Oh, is that what that is? I thought it might be the cheese ball I've been carrying around since I was 3. I call him cheesy. You know, Jim, I felt that way after I accidentally came to school wearing my underwear on the outside. But, time passes and people forget.
Hey, Carl! Are you wearing your underwear with the little pink llamas on it?
Never mind. Just sit back and let your good friend Carl take care of things.
Carl, I don't think that a coconut...
Relax, Jimmy. Underneath this hefty exterior is a solid wall of muscle. Hey, Jimmy, if you just asked me, I'd have lent you some stupid-looking clothes. William Shakespeare.
That might be just a little strong for you, Carl.
But soft. What light through yonder window breaks? It is the east, and Julia is the sun. See how she leans her cheek upon her hand? Oh, that I were a glove upon that hand, that I might touch that cheek.
That is the
lamest thing I've ever heard. What dunderhead would want to talk to a bunch of stupid fish?
I want to talk to fish! I want to talk to fish! Give me that. Hi. Oh, hey, you little fella. Hi. Do you like fish snackums? They're made from fish like you, only cut up into little bite-sized pieces and deep fried in burning oil. No way, Sheen. You're not as big a fan of Jimmy's dad as I am.
Oh, yeah? What's his favorite color?
It's, pie. Wow! I can do something! Somebody call my mom!
Good point. The vault back at the rocket is the best place.
Wait a minute. How come you get to hold the rubies?
In a safe that only you know the combination to?
Ruby Madness! Ruby Madness is telling us apart!
Carl, easy. Show me what you got.
Okay, on the downbeat. Now when I first came to the Cretaceous era, I experienced fright and terror. And then I met a friend who helped me to survive. His blood is warm, his young are born alive. Hey, oh, aha! Hey, 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 hey!